If you're familiar with the forex market, you'll notice that many brokers out there act as the middleman between the forex trader and the forex market. In today's video, we'll look at one of the most popular binary brokers available, which you might want to consider using. Hello everyone, welcome to the Trading Blueprint, your favorite financial channel where matters relating to finances and trading are being ironed out. There are many things you should be aware of before dabbling into Quotex, so in this video, we'll go over how to set up a demo and real account, and how to deposit, trade, and withdraw money from them. Be sure to stick around because this walkthrough might be just what you're looking for. Currently, the broker's mobile app is only available for Android smartphones. You may access their web platform via the browser, and the iOS app is currently being in development. With only a few cranes, customers can keep track of the market and conduct deals. Quotex will also be releasing more mobile apps. But before we go deep into talking about setting up an account, let's look at some of the things about this broker that made it stand out among other brokers. On the first page of the website, you can see some of the features that Quotex provides for a better trading experience, including the convenient trading interface, integrated signals, trading indicators, and perfect speed. When it comes to perfect speed, this feature sets them apart from other brokers because if you wanted to click on your trade, you could do so without having to jump in the trade, so wherever you want your position to be, it would process quickly and easily. This is a bonus or credit for the users. Setting up a Quotex account. You must first create an account on their official website, quotex.io, before you can begin trading. Now, if you're a beginner, this broker has made it simpler and easier for you to trade without using your real money. A demo account is available through Quotex's broker. You do not need to register to trade with the demo account. The registration procedure is pretty straightforward, easy, and takes little time. Once you click the Sign Up button, a dialog box will show what contains the recommended form. You must complete a questionnaire that includes your trader's name, email address of the trader, phone number, and the password that will be used to log in into the account in the future. After you have confirmed your details, you need to verify the account by clicking out the link sent to your email. Document verification. After the setting up process and email verification, the document verification is needed to be done. In the case of digital choices, verification refers to the client's or trader's validation of his personal data provided to the company. In the case of Quotex, verification is less stressful and straightforward. So to do this, go to the account and click on Identify Info. Select the document, upload it, and wait for the document to be confirmed. Now let's talk about the payment method. Although we have our $10,000 in our demo account, the money or the profit accrued during the trade cannot be withdrawn until a deposit is made on the live or real account. They have a convenient way to deposit money, as you can do so with just a $10 deposit using a Visa card, MasterCard, Advance Cash, or Perfect Money. Cryptocurrencies are another option for making a deposit. This has opened up a plethora of options for making a deposit. Just keep in mind that users from the United States, Japan, Canada, and Australia can only make deposits using cryptocurrency. To complete your deposit, go to Deposit and select your preferred payment method. Select the currency you'd like to deposit into your account and the amount you'd like to deposit. When depositing with cryptocurrencies, you must first choose which crypto coin you want to use to fund your account. You'll be given a wallet address to which you can send coins, which Quotex will deposit directly into your trading account. Click on Make Payment and fill out the required form. Now that you've successfully created your account and made a deposit, let's talk about how you can start trading with Quotex. Log into the website and see what the interface looks like. To access the Quotex trading platform, select the Open Demo Account tab. The Quotex trading platform is simple to use and pretty quick. There are no freezes or delays and trades open instantly. Quotex offers binary options for 49 different trading instruments. This group includes 4 commodities assets with less than 30% return. 13 stocks has a very low payout ratio of around 45% when tradable. Stocks are typically offered as 93% yielding over-the-counter trading instruments. Pair trading and currency trading are possible late at night. OTC assets should be avoided at all costs. Quotex Trading offers binary options for more than 28 currency pairs with a mean return of 78% to 85% with a maximum return of 87%. Binary options have a $1 minimum trade size. Binary options have a 1 minute to 4 hour expiration duration with 1 second increments. It also offers 14 various chart periods and a sufficient number of trade indicators for technical analysis up to 24 times. However, the program provides free binary option trading signals, although it is advised not to use them as the source of these signals remains a mystery. Withdrawal. After a successful trade, the next step is to scrape out the profit. Some traders may attempt to leave the entire balance on the account. The minimum withdrawal amount is only $10, but in the case of Bitcoin, it is $50. Additional verification is not required, but it may be requested for major transactions. The time it takes to withdraw money varies from 1 to 5 days. However, the company will make every effort to pay on the day the withdrawal request is submitted. So, to make a successful withdrawal, go to Withdrawal and choose the payment method you want to which the money will be sent. To withdraw money into a crypto wallet, select the crypto wallet to send the money into. Input the amount to withdraw, enter the PIN code sent to your email, and click on Confirm. With this explanation, I'm sure your next question is there no withdrawal commission or fee on withdrawal? Well, Quotex does not actually charge fees for deposits or withdrawals, so that's a piece of good news for you. Now that you've learned everything there is to know about Quotex, the next big question is it one of the best trading brokers you can use in 2022? Would you recommend it to others? Please share your thoughts and experiences in the comment section below if you used this before. And if you've gained any value in today's video and would like to see more in the future, please hit the thumbs up, subscribe button, and notification bell, and we'll see you on the next one.